guys, welcome back. We're
Bye.
making Geronimo Stilton cookies, and this is my Geronimo Stilton book that I got for my birthday, and this is the recipe that you have to use. But if you don't have that book, that's okay. You can just watch this video while you're doing it. So the first thing that you need to put in, if you want, is the first thing is sugar and butter. Yeah, so I want you to add the sugar.
Now.
There's a little left. I'll add the butter. And the butter. What do you use it to mix it around with? Hands? No, spoon. Spoon.
I'll do you do spoon and I'll do the egg.
How long do you mix it for?
Well, until it's all mixed up.
I would say this is almost mixed up. I would say this is mixed up now. I wish that we could just taste this. I'm guessing that that's all mixed up. Now it's time to add
The egg.
the egg. Hey,
She can mix.
okay. Our sister's just gonna mix. Can he add this and then put it in there?
Sure.
Just do that, okay? Oh, there's some shell in there. Just get out the shell.
What are you using to get out the shell, Clark?
The egg holder, the shell. Your shell?
Smart thinking, because it sticks to that, right?
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Just grab the two other ones. Just grab the other one. It's right there. No, that's not it. Keep that in. Clark, I'm covering that thing up.
Sometimes.
It's tricky. It's actually really tricky. Okay, I think this is mixed.
Oh,
But
Mixed.
that's why sometimes it can be easier to crack the egg in a different bowl like this, because it's easier to get it out in something like this than it is in all of that.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's why I was thinking.
Let him put on. Good mixing.
Oh, this is actually perfect.
oh.
I'll mix the egg in.
No,
Yeah, it's in.
Rainy, Coco's gonna mix the egg. Coco's just mixing. Come on, say Coco, mix. So now I'm gonna add the honey, right? Okay, I think I'm gonna add the honey now. Oh, he's mixing. Mix slowly, okay? Our dad's over there. I've never baked these cookies before, so our mom has them. Oh.
That's probably.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Mix it all.
Mix it all up.
Where are you going?
I'll add the lemon zest next.
Okay, let Rain do some mixing.
Okay. Mix. I'm adding Rain.
Mix.
First, my sister's gonna mix before I add in the lemon zest.
And I think the favorite thing of the favorite thing of doing baking is mixing.
I think my favorite thing of baking is baking with my brother. What's your favorite thing about baking?
Making a few.
Okay, time to add in the lemon zest. Okay?
Now I'm making mistake of
Rain,
rain.
let sister have it for a second.
Okay. Sister
No.
needs it.
No.
Hey, hold on. Almost flower time.
I'll put in the flour.
I have no stinking clue how
Okay,
much.
let Clark do some too.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm not done.
Let me do
Oh,
some.
give it to Clark to do
Here.
some.
I'll mix it. I'm gonna smell it. It smells good. I think I'm not allowed trying it because there's egg in it. Can I try now? Can I keep doing it?
Okay, good work, you guys. Zesting a lemon is pretty hard.
Yeah.
You want to see the trick? You use all of it, and you roll it as you go.
Ah. Can I try? Can I try? I'll mix it in. All zest. Can I zest it? Can I zest it a little more?
You don't have to ask 5 million times. Rain, what are you doing?
I'll mix the lemon.
Yeah, you can mix it around for a bit.
I wonder what they're gonna taste like.
Yeah. I'm actually really excited.
Perfect.
There.
Okay, what comes next, Rain?
The
Flour.
Can you put the flour in, Rain?
Dump it in. Or you can just use your hands to put it in. Can I help?
Dad, you mix the.
Okay, we're great job. Okay, we're just gonna dump it in though, okay? Can you help her?
Dad, do we mix the flour in?
Well, you.
I think we mix it in with our
No,
hands.
everybody will take turns. Start slowly.
After this, we're going to have to mix it in with our hands.
Make it into a ginormous ball.
My turn. How hard is it? Can I try? Here, let me help you. Let's do it together. Me and my brother are doing it together because this is actually really hard. Some of it's stuck. I have no clue how this thing will taste. You're allowed to get messy with this.
Because one thing about baking is getting messy.
I'm just gonna get a little bit of butter and honey. It tastes good.
I'm sorry.
Sure. And dip it in butter.
Clark. Not my fault. It was the dough's fault. It's very hard to mix.
Okay, good job.
This is really our mix.
Yeah, you guys did great.
Now there's flour. What are you laughing at? Why?
You're doing so well. Oh, hi.
Somebody just knocked under the door and we have no clue who's here. I think it was our aunt or someone.
Now you need to form it into a ball, remember?
Oh yeah, my brother can start.
So squish it all up together in one big ball.
Clark, you can
What?
start.
No,
Dad,
don't pick it up.
I'll finish. Who's here?
do we take it out?
Do your video.
Dad, do we take it out?
Squish it into a ball first.
Okay.
Okay.
And so, and then dump it out and make sure it all gets squished together.
Daddy.
You can eat the honey. I'm gonna eat this. Can I try it? Clark, try some. Mmm. This is good.
You missed. Good job. So that's right. Get it all into a ball.
This is delicious. Don't you love it? These cookies are actually going to taste really good.
It's kind of like sugar cookies,
Yeah,
but with honey as well.
yeah.
Okay, so you guys did a great job. Now what do we need to do, Wen?
Add the plastic.
I think this is super real sugar cookie mix punch.
So what do you need to do now?
Wrap it. But that's it for this. We'll see you guys. And then it goes into the fridge for 1 hour. We'll see you in an hour. Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back. Our dough has been sitting in the fridge for an hour.
And our oven is preheated to 350.
So we're going to unwrap our dough, and then we're going to scoop it up and then trace them into little bumblebees. Do you guys want to watch us? Okay. Okay. Clark, can you grab the nuts? Some fell. Let me just grab it.
Are you going to eat it? Maybe.
Don't.
Maybe, maybe not.
Maybe I'll eat this, maybe I'll not. Okay, I'm not gonna eat it. So now I'm gonna shape it. I'm rolling it around. Now I'm gonna shape it into a bee like that. This is a bee shape. Now I'm gonna grab some wings. We're using little nuts as wings. You can really use whatever you want as wings. It doesn't matter what type of wings you use. It can be anything you want, but it has to be something shaped like wings. It can't be something that's not shaped like wings. Doesn't that one look good, Dad? Now I'm gonna shape another one into a bumblebee. So you need to squish it around like I already told you, and then shape it into a square if you want, and then shape it into a square, smush it like that. Now I'm gonna grab some more wings. Squish.
Daddy, how many are you giving me?
We're gonna use all of our dough.
And all
If there's some
nuts.
left, I might eat it because I love the taste.
It tasted weird.
My brother thinks it tastes. Wait, can I eat this? Yay! Clark, keep that.
This?
No. Alright, I guess I'll eat it. This dough is delicious.
For me, it tastes weird. Oh, that's Wait, I'm passing me those
Emmys, put
wings.
some duck in. What happened?
It broke.
Grab some wings. If you want, guys, you're allowed trying your dough, and if it tastes good, you can maybe lick your spoon.
It doesn't taste good for me. Since we only have a few left.
Yeah, we need a little more nuts, Dad.
Now, are we going to use all of our dough?
Yes, but we can't make them all at once.
Why?
We don't want to crowd the cookie sheet,
Why?
because then they won't cook properly.
Oh. Well, we're gonna use a different tray as well. We're probably gonna be working on the icing while these are in, so we're probably gonna still be on the video.
Dad, there's only one more left.
What the? I can't have my other wing. Thank you.
I can have a wing.
Can you eat?
Now those need to go in the oven,
Now these need to go in the oven.
which a grown-up does.
What your grown up does. You can't do it on your own. For 10 minutes. So for 10 minutes we're gonna make the icing with you guys. I think we're gonna be probably making royal icing. It's easy to make icing, so I can even make it without grown-ups' help. Hi guys. So we're gonna be squeezing lemons and making the icing now. Our cookies are out of the oven. They're over there. My brother's whisking.
What are you whisking, bud? Egg white.
Egg white. I have to put my hair back.
Yay.
That's my dad. He's
Please
just,
don't lie. Always tie your hair back. I don't know why you undid it.
it actually undid it on its own.
Oh, I'm sure it did. Magic.
Is it like a cream?
Not yet.
Now,
Keep squeezing.
is it like a cream now? It's almost soon.
It actually will be soon because that is not. It's so tiring just whisking over and over. When you give it like a little squeeze, it does good. If you have a lemon juicer, like this. Or you could just put it in a thing if you wanted, but I bet you that wouldn't work very well. Like a blender
Tricky, huh?
to get it all out.
So, put them.
I'll use something to. I'll go get something to whisk
So that's
it.
good. No.
3.
Dad, you want me to put that?
Not yet.
Okay. After the powdered sugar.
Mix in. Mixer.
Mix it with my hands.
No.
Mix it with that.
Yes.
Go ahead, Clark.
I can put this in.
Covered in powdered sugar.
So what do you think you did?
Mix
You
it.
mixed a bit too fast.
Just get all that out. Maybe I shouldn't stand up. And I'll get covered. I like powdered sugar. Mixed with lemon? It's actually pretty good.
So now just dump it in, bud.
This thing tastes good.
And
Some of my
use
fingers.
this and fold it in.
I don't think we're gonna have tea in one, and our dad is gonna have coffee.
That's for darn tootin'. So
He always has coffee.
you can each do 6 and then put them on your plates.
You'll do half and
Take
I'll do
them.
half.
Turn them upside down.
Ah, that's hard.
Dip them in.
Okay.
Take them out. Put them on the plate.
Okay. Dip. That. Yeah. Clark, remember, you do this side, I'll do this side, okay? Yeah. Cut. They're actually working out really well. I'm not joking. I'm not trying to be silly. You have those ones left, I have these ones left. Right now, I only have 3. I have 2 left. Dip. Doop. Dap. I'm saying dip, doop,
1,
dap.
2.
I have 3. Dip. Doop. Dap. I have 1 more left. So, this is my baby one that I made. This is a baby bee. Dip. Doop. This is the cousin bee. Dap. Oh no!
Last one.
Who's to my brother?
So now this icing needs to dry
Why?
before we add our bee strips.
What are bee strips? Our icing has to dry before we add our bee
bee
strips.
So I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done.
I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Bye. Bye. Hi guys. Welcome back. Hi guys. So I'm making the bumblebees now. So the first thing you need to do is put some lines. Grab some more. Put another line. Just make sure you use it all. So this is my dad's that he made, and then this is the one that I made. So now I'm going to make some more.